चिल्ड्रेन, फास्ट में मेरे चैनल में डाली थी इंटीग्रेशन का इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर्मूला। अब हम करेंगे एलिमेंट्स बुक का CHSE का एलिमेंट्स बुक का एक्सरसाइज 9A। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इट इज इंटीग्रेशन 2dx। 2dx क्या है? 2dx integration is x. dx means nothing is there, 1 is there. 1 means x to the power 0. So when you put x to the power n dx formula, that is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So x, when it is x to the power 0, in place of n you will write 0. So 0 जगह रे n जगह रे 0. So 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, that is equal to x to the power 1 by 1 plus c, that is equal to x plus c. That means integration of 1 is x. Integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. So like this, integration of 2 dx is equal to 2x plus c. Clear? Then come to here 3x square. So 2 dx integration equal to 2x plus c. Come to 3x square dx. 3 बाहर को पड़ेला, x square dx is equal to 3x square. X to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So here what is the answer? 3x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 1 is 3 plus c. These three cancel with each other. X's q, answer is x's q plus c. Clear? So what is the integration of 3x square dx? 3x square integration 3x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is equal to 3 is here, x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 is 3, these three cancel with each other, x's cube plus c. So our integration of 3x square is x's cube plus c. So अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What is this? 4x cube dx. So that is equal to 4x cube, 4 बाहर को असला, x cube dx is equal to 4. What is the integration of x cube? X to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to 4 x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. 4 cancel, that is equal to x to the power 4 plus c. So 4x cube dx integration is x to the power 4 plus c. So write down. So question number 1, 2, 3. X to the power 5 dx. So what is the formula? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. So what is the answer? X to the power 5 plus 1, 6 by 6 plus c. Or you can write 1 by 6 x to the power 6 plus c. Let's write 5 question. X to the power 31 dx. So क्या है बच्चे? X to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x to the power 31 plus 1 by 31 plus 1 plus c. इसको लिखना मत भूलना. So x to the power 32 by 32 plus c. Let's write. What is sixth question? 2 root x plus 3 by root x dx. इसका इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे. सो क्या है, 2 को हम बाहर ले आएंगे. 2 रूट एक्स डी एक्स, ये दो टर्म है, उसको एफ ऑफ एक्स जी ऑफ एक्स दो फंक्शन है, उसको अलग अलग कर देंगे. अलग अलग करके इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे. तो ये हो गया 3 बाई रूट एक्स डी एक्स. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट 2. सो रूट एक्स मीन्स एक्स टू द पावर 1 बाई 2. ओके. सो एक्स टू द पावर 1 बाई 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. X to the power half, x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 3. This is x to the power, in denominator x to the power half. और जब ऊपर जाएगा क्या हो जाएगा, x to the power minus half. So x to the power minus half dx प्लस सी. ऑलरेडी इसको इंटीग्रेशन हम कर दिए हैं. तो इज इक्वल टू 2 एक्स टू द पावर, दिस इज एलसीएम इज 2 2 प्लस 1 3 बाई 2 बाई 3 बाई 2. ये प्लस करके हो गया 3 बाई 2. ये पावर हाफ प्लस 1 इज 3 बाई 2 प्लस 3 एक्स टू द पावर माइनस हाफ प्लस 1 बाई माइनस हाफ प्लस 1 प्लस C. 2 रूट एक्स प्लस 3 बाई रूट एक्स डी एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे. 2 को बाहर ले आए. इंटीग्रेशन रूट एक्स डी एक्स प्लस 3 बाई रूट एक्स डी एक्स, दोनों टर्म को सेपरेट कर दिए. 2 रह गला. एक्स रूट एक्स इज रूट एक्स टू द पावर 1 बाई 2. तो एक्स टू द पावर n प्लस 1 बाई n प्लस 1. सो एक्स टू द पावर हाफ प्लस 1 बाई हाफ प्लस 1 प्लस 3 बाहर आ गया. x का पावर रूट एक्स मीन्स एक्स टू द पावर 1 बाई 2. जब ये ऊपर जाएगा एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 1 बाई 2 डी एक्स. 2 ये हाफ प्लस 1 इज 3 बाई 2. सो एक्स टू द पावर 3 बाई 2 बाई हाफ प्लस 1 इज 3 बाई 2 प्लस 3 x to the power minus half is there. So n plus 1 minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. तो ये यहाँ तक हुआ था 2 x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 3 into x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. ये हमने किया था. उसके बाद 2 ये जो बाई हो गए 3 by 2, ये जब ऊपर जाएगा ये हो जाएगा 2 बाई 3. सो ये इसको डॉट दे देते हैं. वो एक्स इज देयर, वो कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. तो 2 ये बाई 3 बाई 2 हो गया 2 बाई 3. ये है एक्स टू दी पावर 3 बाई 2 प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स टू दी पावर माइनस हाफ प्लस 1 माइनस हाफ प्लस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस हाफ. 1 माइनस हाफ इज हाफ. तो ये हो गया एक्स टू दी पावर 1 बाई 2 बाई 1 बाई 2 प्लस सी. क्लियर. देन दिस इक्वल टू ये 2 इंटू 2 4 बाई 3 एक्स टू दी पावर 3 बाई 2 प्लस ये डिवाइड होके है 1 बाई 2. ये 1 बाई 2 जब ऊपर जाएगा हो जाएगा 2 बाई 1. सो 3 इंटू 2 बाई 1 एक्स टू दी पावर 1 बाई 2 प्लस. सो यहाँ तक हुआ था 4 बाई 3 एक्स टू दी पावर 3 बाई 2 प्लस 3 इंटू 2 इंटू एक्स टू दी पावर 1 बाई 2 प्लस सी. तो 4 बाई 3 एक्स टू दी पावर 3 बाई 2 प्लस 3 इंटू 2 6 एक्स टू दी पावर 1 बाई 2 प्लस सी. और इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स टू दी पावर 1 बाई 2 यू कैन राइट 4 बाई 3 एक्स टू दी पावर 3 बाई 2 प्लस 6 रूट एक्स plus c. This is also आंसर। अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। dx by x root x integration. So x root x, what is x root x? X to the power 1 plus root x means x to the power 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, because a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to how much? A to the power m plus n. Like this, x power is 1. Here x power is 1 by 2. So power must be added. X to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So x root x is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So it is in denominator. When ऊपर रखु जीवो x to the power minus 3 by 2 ହେଇଯିବ dx. So what is the integration of x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Clear? So x to the power LCM लॉस आगु केते 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 1 2 by लॉस आगु केते 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 1 2 plus c, that is equal to x to the power minus 3 plus 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus c, that is equal to x to the power minus half by minus half. So into जब होने से क्या हो जाएगा -2 ऊपर चला जाएगा -2 x to the power minus half plus ହେଇଯିବ ତଳକୁ ଆସିଲେ x to the power half plus c, that is equal to -2 by root x plus c. Clear? Let's write. So now we will solve question number 8. So x to the power 4 by 7 plus 1 by x to the power 1 by 3 dx. So उसको हम सेपरेट कर देंगे x to the power 4 by 7 dx plus dx by x to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 प्लस ये ऊपर जाने से क्या हो जाएगा x to the power minus 1 by 3. So n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Clear? So x to the power 7 is LCM. 7 into 1 7. 4 plus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 7 plus x to the power LCM is 3 minus 1 plus 3 by 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus c. So here x to the power 11 by 7, x to the power 11 by 7 by 11 by 7 plus minus 1 plus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. X to the power 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. So that is equal to by 11 by 7 into 7 by 11. So 7 by 11 x to the power 11 by 7 by 2 by 3 into होने से plus 3 by 2 x to the power 2 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Now question number 8. 1 bit 8. Let's write. So now we will solve question number 9. Integration of 4 by x dx. For 1 by x integration is 1 by x dx equal to log x. तो 4 बाहर को आसीगला 1 by x dx is log x plus c. Then come to question number 10. 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 12 dx. 3 बाहर को आसला x 1 by x to the power 2 x to the power ऊपर को पड़ेबो x to the power minus 2 dx plus x to the power minus 12 dx. 3 रहिला x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 12 तळे अछि 12 ऊपर गले minus 12 तो x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. 3 रहिला x to the power minus 2 plus 1 1 ରୁ 2 गले minus 1 by minus 1 plus 1 ରୁ 12 गले minus 11 by minus 11 plus c. minus 1 means minus 3 x to the power अच्छी minus 1 तळु को आसिले हे जीवो पावर पॉजिटिव तो x to the power minus 1 तळु को आसिला by x minus a minus हला 3 पाखु गला minus 3 x to the power minus 1 तळु को आसिले हला तार पावर plus x to the power 1 so minus 3 by x ये minus plus into minus minus 1 by 11 x to the power minus 11 अछि एटा तळु को आसिले हे जीवो पावर पॉजिटिव x to the power 11 plus c. So this is the answer of 10. Question number 11 is x square plus root x whole square dx. So x square plus root x whole square that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is x square, b is root x. So a square x square whole square plus b square root x square plus 2 into a x square into b root x. So x square square is x to the power 4 plus root x square square root cancel with each other x plus 2 into x square power 2 x power 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2 x to the power 4 plus x plus 2 x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. So in place of x square plus root x whole square you can write this term x to the power 4 plus x plus 2x to the power 5 by 2 dx. Separate all these terms x to the power 4 dx plus x dx plus 2x to the power 5 by 2 dx. This is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 x integration is x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 2 into x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. This is x to the power 5 by 5 plus 1 plus 1 2 x square by 2 plus 2 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1. 2 is LCM 5 plus 2 into 1 2 that is 7 by 2. So x to the power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus c. So that is 1 by 5 x to the power 5 plus 1 by 2 x square plus 2 divided by 7 by 2 into 2 by 7. So 2 into 2 by 7 that is 4 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer of 11. Let's have a look and let's write. So come to question number 12. Integration of x plus 3 into 2 minus x dx. So first you have to multiply these two terms x plus 3 into 2 minus x. When you multiply these two terms x into 2 2x plus into minus minus x into x square plus 3 into 2 6 plus into minus minus 3 into x 3x. First you have to multiply the sign then the individual number. So 2x minus x square plus 6 minus 3x. Now write down here when you multiply product is minus x square 2x minus 3x. 2 minus 3 is minus x plus 6 dx. Clear? Then come to separate the individual term. Minus x dx plus 6 dx. So here minus x square. So x square minus rahila. X square integration is x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then minus x dx x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Here power is 1. Then plus 6 dx integration is x plus c. So here 2 plus 1 is 3 minus x cube by 3 minus x square by 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 6x plus c. Let's have a look. Question number x double I. So x third I. Question number 1. So what is the question? Root x plus 2 whole square by x to the power 4 dx. This is also a plus b whole square. A square. Root x square is x. A square plus b square. 2 square is 4 plus 2ab. 2a into b root x. 2ab or 2 into a root x into 2 by x to the power 4 dx. Then x by x to the power 4, 4 by x to the power 4, this by this. So x by x to the power 4 dx, one term, plus 4 by x to the power 4 dx. This is 2 into 2, 4 root x by x to the power 4, 4 बाहर को आसीगला, root x by x to the power 4 integration dx. Then x divide ହେଇକି ଅଛି, तो power कौन होबो? Minus. So x power is 1 and this is 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. So x to the power minus 3 dx. 4 बाहर को पड़े आसला. x to the power 4 तले अच्छी. ऊपर को पड़ेला x to the power minus 4 dx. 4 रहिला. x to the power half तले अच्छी 4. Power होबो minus. Half minus 4. LCM 2. 1 minus 2 into 4, 8. 1 minus 8 minus 7 by 2. So what is the power here? Minus 7 by 2. Ebe pokeba integration formula. X to the power n. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 4 x to the power minus 4. 4 rahila. X to the power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1. Plus 4 rahila. X to the power minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by minus 7 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Ako simplification kariba. X to the power minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. X to the power minus 2 तळକୁ पळी आसिला हे गला x to the power plus 2. एटा हे गला minus 2. माइनस साइन टा ऊपर को गला 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus साइन पळेला 2 रहिला तळे. x to the power minus 2 तळକୁ पळी आसिला x square. So minus 1 by 2x square. It is 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus पळी आसिला बाहर को प्लस into minus minus है कि 4 अच्छी by एटा है गला 3. x to the power minus 3 टा तळକୁ पळी आसिला x to the power minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. तो x to the power minus 3 तळକୁ पळी आसिला x to the power 3. ये माइनस 7 by 2 plus 1 माइनस 5 by 2. तो माइनस इंटू प्लस है गला माइनस 4 रहिला. ए जो 5 by 2 टा ऊपर को पड़ेला हला 2 by 5. एठी x to the power minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 is minus 7 by 2 plus 1. It is 2 minus 7 plus 2, that is minus 5 by 2. तळु को पळे आसला plus 5 by 2. So you can write here 4 into 2, 8 by 5. So minus 1 by 2 x square, minus 4 by 3 x cube, minus 8 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c. This is the answer of this question. Let's have a look. So now xiv. Question number 1, xiv. So what is the integration of x plus root x into 2x plus 1 by x square dx? So first you have to multiply these two terms. Come to here, x plus root x into 2x plus 1. So first you multiply x into 2x, that is 2x square, x into 1 plus x, root x into 2x, 2 x to the power 1, x power 1 by 2, 1 plus half equal to 3 by 2 plus root x into 1, root x. So 2x square plus x plus 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus root x is x to the power 1 by 2. So this product you have to write in integration form. So 2x square plus x plus 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus x to the power 1 by 2 by x square dx. Then separate these four terms. 2x square by x square cancel with each other. Integration 2 dx plus x by x square. So x by x square is 1 by x. So 1 by x dx plus 2x to the power 3 by 2 by x square, 3 by 2 minus 2, that is x to the power minus 1 by 2, 2 इंटीग्रेशन x to the power 2 कांस्टेंट टर्म बाहर आ गया, 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx plus x to the power 1 by 2 by x square, x to the power 1 by 2 by x square, x to the power half minus 2, that is minus 3 by 2 dx. Then 2 dx integration is x plus 1 by x integration is log x plus 2 x to the power minus half, that is minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1, that is half, x to the power half by half plus x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So this is the, here answer is 2x plus log x plus, this is by 1 by 2, when you multiply here, this is 4 x to the power 1 by 2, you can write root x plus minus 3 by 2 plus 1, minus 3 by 2 plus 1, LCM is 2, minus 3 plus 2 into 1, that is 2. So what is the answer? 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 2. So x to the power minus 1 by 2, that is x to the power 1 by 2, that means root x. Here also minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. So plus C. So ये था question number 1. Let's have a look.